Hello, Matt Isold here. It's not every day that I get to be the recipient of my own product. And I've been on the road all week, just got back in, had a package from UintaDesign, and I just have to share this with you. The excitement is amazing. So real quickly, I'm going to do a screen share and show you how Uinta started with this great virtual layout presentation of a couple different looks, different quantities ranging from a 50-piece minimum to a 250-piece minimum. So there we are, some amazing mock-ups and renderings. And in a matter of 3 weeks, I was able to receive what I'm about to show you. So bear with me for 1 second. And option one, at 50 pieces, they put together a great looking bag in my colors with some awesome orange accents, fun zipper pulls. We didn't do it on this one, but we can even print the strap on the bag. And here we decided to screen print the logo. So we could crank this out in about 5 to 6 weeks at 50 pieces. Now, if you have a little bit more time and 250 pieces, we can do this. All right, look at the awesome texture on the bag, all the accents, the patch, the zipper pulls, the straps. It's got a laptop compartment in it as well. But how much fun to come home and see a finished product like this. So again, I don't always get to be the recipient of these. I had to share my excitement with you immediately. And I would love it if you took a moment, think of a client or two, send me a vector art file, let us put a storyboard together for you. And then after that, we can create some of these fantastic spec samples.